Alright, we're off to a wild start. Someone's running from the cops and there are rumors of a gun near a school campus. This isn't just another case. It's already tense and layered. Let's dig in and find out what actually happened because this is far more complicated than it first appears.
Good morning, Mr. Newman. Sir, you're charged with evading arrest or detention. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. On January 15, 2025, the officer was dispatched to Texas Southern regarding a male on campus possibly carrying a firearm. The caller provided the name and dispatch ran through arms and located a recent picture and a trespass notice. The officer observed the defendant walk into the library, immediately walked out accompanied by a second black male, and the officer attempted to detain the defendant, and the defendant ran northbound, ran through an apartment complex. The officer drove through the complex and set up a perimeter and observed the defendant run out of the complex. The officer exited a marked patrol vehicle in full uniform, drew a duty weapon, and ordered the defendant to the ground. The defendant ignored the commands and continued running and was assisted to the ground by the officer. The defendant stated he ran due to being scared. The defendant evaded approximately 0.4 miles.
He claims he ran because he was scared. But fear doesn't give you a pass to run from police. The officer had everything: a name, a photo, and a trespassing notice. Legally, the officer had every right to stop him. Fear may be real, but it doesn't erase the facts or the law.
What was he doing wrong?
So there was a report of a possible firearm on campus and the caller provided the name and he was attempting to investigate that and he was just trying to detain him to investigate.
They gave the description of him?
They just gave the name and then they ran that through arms and they found a picture of that person.
So the caller gave the name of Mr. Newman?
Yes, Judge. Gave Mr. Newman's name, the officer ran that name and found a picture and then observed him leaving the library and attempted to detain him. Yes. And then he ran.
There was also a current trespass notice for the defendant as well.
Yes, Judge.
From TSU?
From the arms or TSU?
Yes, Judge. They found for TSU through arms.
Mr. Newman, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. Let's do this. I'm going to appoint your lawyer today because there's several things that we need to look at. So do you mind reaching out to...
Pay attention, this part matters. The judge is setting clear rules for release. One mistake and Mr. Newman goes right back to jail. Then she says it. I just want my community to be safe. That's not just legal talk, that's a message. The judge isn't just enforcing the law. She's standing for something deeper.
For Mr. Newman, assuming we go forward with the case, you're not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand? I'm making that a condition of your bond.
Yes, sir.
If I find that you have any weapons, I'm going to revoke your bond. I'm going to put you in jail.
Yes,
Just all I want is my community to be safe. I'm not asking for much. You understand? Okay. I'm going to have you sign a reset, Victoria, then we'll have you take a seat in the jury box, sir. Okay? Mom, come on up.
I can't get on.
Oh, no problem. I have it. Yeah.
Good morning.
Hi, come up. You're a mom?
I am.
How are you?
Good morning.
Thank you so much for coming today.
Appreciate you for having me.
You know, Mr. Hall, so with the 4 open cases, you're lucky to be out. You know, you really need to listen to mom so that...
Listen closely. The judge mentions his mom. That's 4 open cases already, and possibly a 5th on the way. This isn't just bad luck. It's a pattern. The judge is giving a serious warning. One more slip and it's over. He's running out of chances, and the court is running out of patience. Intro 5. Here's where everything shifts. The courtroom isn't just about punishment today. It's offering help. Mental health resources, support systems, even phones if needed. This reminds us that the justice system can show compassion too. But the question hangs in the air. Will he accept the help, or will he throw it all away?
A 5th case doesn't occur. It's not going to go well if you pick up a 5th one. Do you understand?
You have to excuse me, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
They're trying to do 2 medicines on him. And it doesn't have him here with us, if it makes sense. He's listening, but it has him, if you speak, he's dragging. And I'm okay with that because I can control what's going on. As I was saying, I work in the institute business. In conjunction with one thing and I work with the homeless. I came out of engineering because he taught me 2 things. I have to pay attention to what's going on at home and not just give love to people on the street. It makes sense, right?
That's great. That's wonderful.
I've done my homework recently, these big last 2 situations. His grandmother and his grandfather is dealing, they had mental ideations as well. So it triggers. Mom says, be careful who you choose, but we can't be careful who you choose, right?
Right.
So home now gracefully exists. You have to excuse my appearance. I've been in cold gray.
Oh, please, you look great. But my concern is that please tell me he's living with you?
Yes.
Wonderful.
He is.
Okay.
As I said, I'm bringing paperwork together to get custodial.
Guardianship. Okay.
To get some placement to stay there.
You know, I'm happy to, whatever you need, we're happy to give you. You know, we have a lot of resources here that we can always, you know, try to help you with, you know.
Appreciate you.
All you need to do is ask, you know, if you need tablets, cell phones.
Right here, the judge delivers powerful words. Think before you act. Think before you speak. That's more than courtroom advice, that's life advice. If Mr. Newman truly hears it, maybe he has a shot. Maybe this time won't end like all the others. But it all comes down to what he chooses next.
We can also do evaluations to see, you know, how we go forward. So I'm all ears and I'm with you. Whatever you want, you know, whatever conditions you think are appropriate, we can put on it.
We just had an evaluation on the.
Is mom's the CW in the cases? Or?
So Judge, these are old cases from what I remember, 2022,
So the-
ID, the trespass.
Well, we have one terroristic threat of a peace officer or a judge. Is that right? I just,
Okay, this is what happened.
no, don't. I just,
We just did a psych evaluation
okay.
and we were in the room. I hope I'm.
No, let's not, don't. It's really, it's,
I'll talk about that right now.
yeah, that's something that we can do later. But at this time, I will leave him in your care, your, whatever you need, we're here to help you out with. The only thing I'm going to ask is just you guys, just please stay in touch with Vida. She will help you out. And I just don't want a 5th case. That's it. I'm with you. So how long do you want to set it out, Kavita?
I think maybe a 6-week evaluation, all the medical together and talk.
Okay. I'm going to waive his appearance. That way he doesn't have to waste his time coming to court, but just be nice. Self-control. All these cases are because of no self-control. You get upset and you wake up. But think, it's okay. We all get angry. We all do. But just think before you act. Think before you speak.
In the end, there's a softer moment. Listen to your mom, the judge says. If you need help, come back, just ask. Bond conditions are set. No weapons, no contact in certain cases. Stay in touch with your lawyer. It's clear the system is giving him another shot. But the real question, will he take it?
That's it. Listen to mom. If you ever need anything, come back and I can help you out with whatever you need. Just say the word. Okay?
Judge, in regards to bond conditions, how did you want to handle that?
So the bond conditions that I'd like, it just no contact with ever the terroristic threat cases and just no weapons. That's all I would like. It's not, my concern is that it was a healthcare provider, because that's what I was thinking. Is that someone that he's currently seeing? Do you know? Alex, who, and
Oh, in the
Most recent case, who's the complaining witness?
most recent case, let me see. It says the reporting party.
Oh, that case is upstairs. It's not even with us. I'm
That's all,
sorry.
Your Honor.
So disregard it. I thought it was with us.
Yes, Judge.
So the only condition is just no weapons. That's it. Okay. And just stay in contact with your lawyer. Okay. Absolutely. Mr. Halsall, good luck, bud. All right. Okay. Thanks, committee.
Thank you, Judge. May you be excused?